Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of prompt engineering. If you want to get the best out of generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Llama, and Midjourney, stick around because this video is for you. Imagine having a superpower, the ability to talk to super intelligent AI and get it to do exactly what you want. That's kind of what prompt engineering is all about. It's like learning the secret language of robots, except way less intimidating and way more useful. So whether you're a creative guru, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about the future, buckle up. Let's decode the art of crafting killer prompts that'll make AI your new BFF. Alright fam, let's talk intention and purpose. It's like this. You wouldn't walk into a restaurant and just yell food at the waiter, right? You need to be specific. Do you want pizza, pasta, tacos? AI's the same way. Think of your prompt as a first date with your AI crush. You gotta set the mood. Be clear about what you want, a poem, a code, a trippy image, and why you want it. See, these AI models, they're smart, but they ain't mind readers. Yet. They thrive on clarity. So if your intention is shaky, your output will be too. It's like trying to build a house on sand recipe for disaster. Bottom line, be clear, be concise, be the boss of your AI interaction. Now let's spill the tea on alignment and context. Imagine asking your friend for movie recommendations, but you only say surprise me. They'd be like, okay, but you hate horror. Context, my friends, is everything. It's like giving your AI the inside scoop, the backstory, the VIP pass to your brain. The more context you provide, the more aligned your AI's response will be. Let's say you want to write a song about heartbreak. Instead of just saying, write me a sad song, tell your AI, write a bluesy song about a long-distance relationship gone wrong, with a soulful melody and lyrics about missing someone. See the difference? Give your AI the 411, and it'll give you the fire you're looking for. Chapter 3. Feedback and iteration. It's a vibe check, not a breakup. Okay, so you've sent your prompt, and the AI spits back something interesting. Don't freak out. This isn't the final product, it's just the first draft in a beautiful collaborative journey. This is where feedback and iteration come in. Think of it like online shopping. You wouldn't just buy the first dress you see, right? You browse, you compare, you try things on. Same with AI. If the output isn't quite right, don't be afraid to say, not quite what I had in mind. Can we try a different approach? This back and forth, this beautiful dance of refinement, that's where the magic really happens. So embrace the feedback loop, iterate like a boss, and watch your AI creation evolve. Chapter 4. Detachment and objectivity. Keeping it real with AI. Now let's talk about keeping it real. When you're vibing with AI, it's easy to get attached to your own ideas, your own biases. But here's the thing. AI is a mirror, and sometimes we need a little tough love. Detachment means being open to the unexpected, even if it challenges your initial vision. It's about letting go of control and embracing the possibilities. Objectivity is all about keeping it 100. It's about asking yourself, is this prompt truly reflecting what I want, or am I letting my own baggage cloud my judgment? So be brave, be bold, and let AI show you a fresh perspective. Chapter 5. Wisdom and knowledge. Level up your prompt game. Alright folks, time for the real talk. Wisdom and knowledge. The secret sauce to becoming a prompt engineering ninja. See, knowledge is like knowing all the dance moves. Wisdom is knowing when to bust them out. When it comes to AI, knowledge is understanding the tools, the models, the techie stuff. Wisdom is knowing how to wield that knowledge to create something truly meaningful. It's about understanding the why behind your prompts, the impact you want to make, the story you want to tell. So don't just be a prompt technician, be a prompt artist. Infuse your prompts with your unique voice, your experiences, your dreams. That's how you turn ordinary AI interactions into extraordinary creations. And that's a wrap on prompt engineering. Remember, the key to mastering generative AI is all about crafting the right prompts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time. Now go forth and create some AI magic. I believe in you. You got this. Peace out.